You know, Naki Filari, the ones before us, they have almost like a duty to impart some knowledge on us. You know, the strangers and the ones, you know, for all those moments with women that have gone through the path that I'm going through. I listen. Whether it comes to relationships, friendships, whatnot, all of these things. I can take relation.
I'm headed down this path.
You can relate. You understand? You can relate. You know, and young girls as well. You find that when you're having conversations with them, when you are, you know, kind of interacting with them, their challenges are different to yours.
Yeah.
It's also something that teaches me patience. This waiting and being backstage and waiting your turn and being with the woman and the woman leading you and teaching you how to take up space and where to take up space and why to take up space. For women are important, and therefore don't shrink yourself. Whatever your dreams are, they're important. You know, girl child, you are important. Brown skin girl, soul, thrive. Do it. You can. You should. Why not?
Why what?
Why not? Black girl magic.